Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about all the products that I really was loving over the past month. I can't believe it's time for May favorites, and I can't believe it is June 1st today. You guys, today is my 3-year channelversary. So I started my channel on June 1st, 3 years ago, and I can't believe how far we've come. And it's just kind of crazy to sit here and reflect on the past 3 years. I'm so grateful that I started this channel, and I'm so grateful that so many of you have joined the family and have subscribed. You guys have no idea how much it means to me. So this is kind of a special video in a way. Since we're celebrating 3 years, let's just jump right into my favorite products. I've got some skincare, a little bit of makeup. I don't have too many things this month, but every single thing I'm going to be telling you about, I have been obsessed with. I feel like I tried quite a bit of makeup over the past month, so the fact that these really stand out to me means something, and these are all products that I would definitely recommend to friends and family, and of course you guys. So let's just jump right in. I'm going to start with skincare, and I really wanted to mention this Indie Lee, what's it called? Brightening Cleanser. There it is. I'm not sure if I've properly talked about this in a video. Maybe I mentioned it in my yearly skincare favorites. I don't quite remember. But this month I started using this again religiously, and I really do feel like it brightens the skin so nicely. It also has really good clean ingredients, so it's not going to have any harsh fragrances or chemicals in it, which is really nice, especially for someone like me with sensitive skin. I love the packaging on this. It's glass, and it just kind of feels luxurious on my sink. And this also works really well with my Clarisonic. Not all of my cleansers work well with the Clarisonic. This one foams up enough to where it really just lathers my skin. So I love to use this with my Clarisonic brush, but I also use it like on its own just with my hands, and it's been amazing. So I wanted to mention that. And then this next product is so random, and I debated putting it in this video because it's almost like, I don't want to say like unnecessary, but it's almost just like an extra step in your skincare routine. But I've been using it every single day, day and night, and I wanted to share it with you. This is from Murad. It's the Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi-Mist. Basically, this just has prebiotics in it, which if you don't know, prebiotics feed probiotics, and probiotics are the good bacteria that live on your skin. So it's kind of like skin food. That's how I like to picture it. And for some reason, the smell, the feeling, I don't know, just the experience of using this product makes me so excited. And I honestly can't stop using it. I feel like I've seen a little bit of a difference. I don't know, it kind of just feels nice more than anything, but it's like reassuring to me knowing that I'm feeding the good bacteria on my skin, and it feels really good. It has a really fine mist. Here, I'll spray a little bit right now. Apparently you can use this to mist over makeup. I've actually never tried it over makeup. It smells amazing. I'm just gonna make sure to dry that off. But yeah, I've really been enjoying this, you guys. Here's what the bottle looks like up close, and I just really wanted to tell you about it. All right, let's move into some makeup. One of the standout products from this month that I tried is this right here. It's the NYX Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil. I wear the shade Natural Soft Beige. It looks like this. I tried this out in a no makeup video where I tried out this whole collection, and the thing that I love about this product is you can really customize it. I'm actually wearing it today, but I'm using a more like full coverage concealer, so my complexion looks way more glam, but you can definitely use this almost as like a tinted moisturizer, and it shears out beautifully over the skin. It's really buildable if you want a little bit more coverage. I've just found myself using this a lot this month, and I really love how I can use it on like no makeup days, or also a more glam day like this. I've just been getting a lot of use out of this. It's not the longest wearing foundation, like I said in my review video, but it's definitely a great one for just running errands, or if you just need to go out for a couple hours at night and you want to do a little bit more of a glam look. I've just really been enjoying it, so I wanted to mention that. This is kind of like a re-mention. I'm pretty sure I've put this in a favorites video before, and I've talked about it in so many videos this month as well. But Glossier recently expanded the shade range in their Wowder, which is such a beautiful powder, and I finally picked up the lightest shade. It's the shade G11 to G12, and it is so incredible, you guys. I'm wearing it all over the skin today, and I just feel like it's such a fine powder. It does have a little bit of a tint to it, and there's actually like, I think 5 shades. So now there's one that will work for your skin tone no matter what it is. But I've just been really enjoying this. And again, I feel like I can really kind of customize it, and it works with more glam looks, and then it works with everyday looks as well. I've been traveling with this. I just love it. It's so good. If you haven't had the chance to try out this formula, I definitely highly recommend it. It is amazing. I should have known that this next product was going to be in this video because I feel like it's in everybody's favorites video from last month and then probably this month as well. But it's the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer, and I have the shade Into Sun, which is the lightest shade in the whole range. This comes in so many different shades. I'm wearing this all over my face, and I just love the color of it. It just bronzes up the skin. It looks really natural. I love how buildable it is. It never makes my skin look like streaky or muddy in any way. It's just been amazing. The packaging is great as well. I've been traveling with this one too, and I've been reaching for it like every day. This next product is another one that I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale this month. This is when I bought the bronzer as well. I actually picked up some really awesome things, and I can't stop using this. I use this every single day, you guys. It doesn't matter what other powder highlighter I have on underneath, or sometimes I have on a liquid highlighter underneath. This just adds so much oomph to the skin. It adds so much dew to the skin. I feel like I've been talking about it a lot on like my Instagram and in a couple of my videos that I posted this month. But this is the Ciate London Dewy Sticks, and I have the shade Glow, which is just the transparent shade. They have a couple of the shades that have like shimmer in it. This is just the transparent one. It looks like this, and I'm wearing it on top of my highlighter. It has a little bit of like a balmy, tacky finish to it. This lasts all day on the skin, and it just enhances any sort of glow that you have underneath, or you can use it by itself and it just looks like your skin is so dewy. I love this because it gives my skin such a dewy finish, but at the same time I'm still able to set my face with powder. I'm really weird about powders, and I always feel like I need to set my entire face with a powder for it to feel like it's staying. So I really like how I can kind of add back in that liquid dewy finish with this. Oh, like I'm so obsessed with this, you guys. It's amazing. All right, I've got two lip products that I just can't live without right now. I feel like I've been talking about a lot of different lip products, and I also shared a ton of really fun colors and really amazing formulas in my best spring and summer lipsticks video. I will have that link down below, or I'll put it right here for you guys. I still stand behind all of those, and all of those that I talked about are basically my favorites. I have two right here that I keep alternating between purses. I have to take them out because I'm always taking them everywhere. I'm wearing them on a daily basis. The first one that I'm really loving on like an everyday basis is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and I have the flavor or shade Grapefruit. They launched a few shades, and I'm really interested to try some of the other ones, but for now I'm really enjoying this one. It gives the lips a really nice hydrated feel and a really nice hydrated look. It is a little bit more glowy than a lip gloss, but it feels like a lip balm. It is so wonderful. Here's what it looks like close up. I would highly recommend this. I was this close to not picking it up during the Sephora VIB sale because I thought to myself, like, this, it's just a lip balm. Like, I'm not gonna need to spend 15 bucks on another lip balm because basically I have hundreds at this point. I love lip balm. I kind of collect them. But I'm so glad I spent the money on this. It is so worth it, hands down. If I ever run out, I'm gonna keep repurchasing it. That's how much I love it. And then the second product that I have been raving about is this one right here. This is from Patrick Ta, and this is the Major Glow Lip Shine, and I cannot stop wearing the shade She's an Influencer. It's what I have on my lips right now. Let me add a little bit more because it's not as sparkly as it once was when I first applied this. There you go. Can't you see the beautiful glitter in this? I know I've talked about this so many times, so I'm sorry if you've heard about it from me over and over again, but I honestly can't help it. I love this so much. It's a very comfortable lip gloss. It's very hydrating, and it just makes your lips look so plump, and when light hits it, it's so pretty when the glitter reflex kind of shine back. I'm just in love with this. The packaging is amazing. It's worth every penny in my opinion. So yeah, these are definitely like my top two lip products right now. I have a feeling I'm going to recommend these two things to everybody that I talk to because they're just that good. They're seriously incredible. All right, I actually have two setting sprays that I wanted to mention. One's kind of like a rediscovery, and one is pretty new to my collection, but I had to put it in here. I already know it's a favorite. So the throwback product is the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. For some reason this month, I picked this up again, and look how much I've used. Look at that! Oh my gosh, I've used quite a bit of it this month. It's just such a good hydrating mist. I've really been enjoying using this like before I do my makeup, so I'll spritz this all over my face, and then I'll even go in with another primer. I just feel like it kind of helps wake up the skin before I do my makeup. You can also use it as a setting spray. It's not really going to help with longevity, but it will add a little bit of hydration and glow. And today I used it kind of as a primer underneath makeup. I've just been really enjoying it. And last but not least, this is the product that is really brand new to me. I've been using this since, I think I bought it on like the 20th of this month. So I've been using it for like 10 days or so. So only for a third of the month, but honestly, I've been using it every single day, and it's enough time for me to know that it's a favorite for sure. This is the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. It's crazy because I normally don't reach for dewy skin mist that much. I don't know what's gotten into me with these two mists right here, but I'm really into like dewy glowy skin. I used to use the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist quite a bit, but I would only focus it on the edges of the face because this is a little bit more of an oil-based mist. It's just a little bit more oily. Yeah, so if I got it on my T-zone, I just felt like my skin looked a little bit too oily throughout the day, whereas Where this, I spritz it all over my face. I will actually do it mid-makeup too, like right after I've done foundation and concealer and before I powder, I'll spritz this all over and just kind of pat it in with my sponge, and I just absolutely love that. And then I've been using it as a setting spray as well. I'm not really sure if this helps with the longevity of my makeup, but I haven't had any issues with my makeup not lasting when I use this. I'm wearing it all over my skin today. I know I sprayed the Murad mist, but hopefully you can kind of see the all over glow that this gives, and it doesn't leave my skin oily or greasy. I saw a comment when I talked about this in a recent video of somebody that was asking if this is worth the money, like if it's really different than other setting sprays that I own, and to be honest, I feel like it is. Like I feel like the Smashbox Primer Water and the MAC Fix Plus, they're much more water-based. The Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist is definitely more of an oil. This is like smack dab in the middle. It's really different than the other ones that I own in my opinion, and I can't get enough of it. Plus it's beautiful. Look at all the flecks of gold in there. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it, and yeah, I just can't get enough. I had to just tell you guys about it because I've been enjoying it so much. One thing that I will say though is a little bit goes a long way, and if you use it to set your makeup, make sure you're spraying it far away. Otherwise, a few drops will land on your face, but if that does happen, just lightly pat it out with your sponge, with a fan, and you'll be good to go. It's never ruined my makeup when that happens, but it's just something I wanted to point out. All right, you guys, so that's it. Those were my favorite items that I've been loving this month. Let me know in the comments below what you guys have been loving. I always love to read through those comments, and I love to try out the products that you guys are really enjoying. Do we have any favorites that are similar this month? Let me know if you guys are loving anything that I talked about today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie, and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button, and if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays when I upload, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. Alright you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye!